Okay, welcome back. Today I'll be going over Beepmap. This is an image-based synthesizer, so it generates sound based on an image. I'll explain how it works in a bit, but I'm going to open it up here, and you can see we've got this image loaded. I'm actually going to click open and open up my logo, just to test it out. So this is a 4K image, stretched really long. I'm going to hit C5. That's a terrible sound, I won't make you suffer any longer. But pretty much it takes images and converts them into sound. This is done by like a vertical line scanning the image. So you can sort of see, like, imagine a line going past the image from left to right. Mapping the colors and brightness to frequencies and volumes and stuff. So this is going to be a pretty basic one because it's just two colors and it's pretty similar across the whole thing. But then you've got like other really intricate photos that make some pretty cool sounds. But let's get into how to actually use this. So here we've got a frequency knob that changes the frequency range for the height of the photo pretty much. This length sets the duration of a pixel. So this has got a heap of pixels. So we're going to want a really short length. That'll make the sound last shorter. So with the scale, we can switch between logarithmic, linear, and harmonics. I'm pretty sure it's logarithmic. Could just be log. This button up here, use below. I actually couldn't figure out what that means. In the FL Studio manual, it just says enables blue color response. So if that makes any sense to you, then there you go. It just enables blue color response. But I'm actually not sure what this means, so I guess I'll have to experiment with that to figure out what it actually is trying to tell me. Grainy changes the sound to be small little grains. Loop allows you to keep playing the sound or just play it once. Widen adjusts the width of the stereo field, so like the panning around your ears and stuff, it just makes it a bit wider pretty much. And then finally, we've got copy and paste for images. You can copy the picture on there, or you can paste an image that you've already got copied on your clipboard and you can open up stuff. But finally, we've got the maximum bitmap height. So that sets the maximum height for the loaded images or bitmaps. So that's the number of sine waves that it'll add. So that just directly correlates to the amount of sine waves included. This can heavily impact your CPU usage, so use it sparingly if you've got a not so great CPU, but I've got an alright CPU, so I should be fine to turn it up a bit. It's pretty tough to find something usable, but it's pretty interesting. I think the Serum's actually got a pretty similar feature to this. Of course, Serum's got about 60 bloody VSTs in one, but this is... I think you can import images in Serum. I don't have it, but I've seen people do it, I'm pretty sure. But that's pretty much it. Just sticks your photo in there and makes a sound out of it. Could be completely random. I don't know whether it actually works, but that's how it's supposed to work. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.